Guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get started with the unboxing video of iqoo 7, which is a storm which is of orange in color, and this device comes with the Snapdragon Qualcomm 870 5G mobile platform. Let's unbox this device. Here you can see this comes with a super packing of by Amazon, and the contents of the inside the box or at the back side. Here you can see the price, but in offer price we have got it for 25k. This comes with the 8 GB of RAM and with 3 GB extended. This device has all the specs we want, and here you can see inside this you can see all the manuals and the guidelines. And this comes with the SIM tray remover as well, where you can easily remove your SIM tray from your smartphone, which is at the bottom. And here you can see inside the box we have all these things like mobile phone and the transparent back case. This comes with the plastic back panel, so to protect that we get the transparent back case. And here you can see how it looks, and this is not much hard, it's delicate, so you may have to buy the other back case from the Amazon. This device comes with 66-watt flash charger and the USB Type-C cable, and it has a ROM of 128 GB, 4400 mAh battery. There are three colors of the device: storm black, solid ice blue, monster orange. If you can choose whatever you want. Operating system is FunTouch OS 11.1, and it comes with the Android 11, not 12 or 13. And here you can see the size of the device is 6.62 inches, which comes with the AMOLED display, and it has a dual SIM slot where you can see the 5G bands as N78. The camera specs are RAID 48MP, 13MP ultra wide macro, 2MP mono lens, front 16MP, which comes with the aperture of different sizes, flash charger support, and it comes with the Bluetooth 5.1. That's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe.